The mobile aircraft arresting system is probably one of the single most important things any civil engineer squadron can provide.
The purpose is to protect the pilots and save lives.
In case a fighter jet has an in-flight emergency, they'll drop their tail hook, connect to the cable and get pulled out, and the MAAS act as a braking system and act that they can't stop on their own.
It feels pretty good to be part of a well-oiled machine.
Teamwork makes the dream work. If the entire team's on the same page, then the install and everything goes extremely smooth, quick, and efficient. The process of a dead man install starts with the engineering assistants coming out and marking the site. We'll bring in the mobile aircraft arresting systems, lower them down, and then mark out our points. We'll then have the dirt boys come in, dig our holes for us. They'll lay the dead man anchors in there, attach chains up, and attach them to the system.
Seeing the install is very motivating. Being able to stamp your name on something and then go back later and be like, I installed that, I did that. One of the main things that keeps me going in the Air Force